Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Raghavendra Mysore. Today we are solving problem number 2. The question is taken from the unit of triangles of class 10 and it is taken from the exercise 6.5 in CBSE textbook and it is taken from 2.5 in Karnataka state textbook. Question is like this. PQR is a triangle right angled at P and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR show that PM square equals QM into MR. So I'll repeat the question once again. PQR is a triangle right angled at P and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR show that PM square equals QM into MR. So they are saying that there is a triangle PQR which is right angled at P. So this is P, obviously. P, Q, R. So it is right angled at P. And M is a point on QR such that PM is perpendicular to QR. So M is a point. We'll mark M here. So PM is perpendicular to QR. So we need to show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. A simple problem. If you carefully observe the figure here, now how many triangles are there? The beginning there was a one right angle triangle PQR. Now there are three right angle triangles with respect to the first one. So first one is already PQR. Second one is what? PMR. The last one is PQM. So PM square. You need to observe what we need to show that or what we need to prove that. PM square is equal to QM into MR. PM is the side comes in the newly formed triangles. That is PM comes in PMR, PMQ triangle. So obviously we need to consider those two triangles to solve this particular problem. As well as QM comes in the triangle of PQM and MR comes in the triangle of PMR. So we are getting an idea that which are the triangles that we need to consider to solve this particular problem. But before solving it, we need to show that these two triangles are similar to one another. How to prove that these two triangles are similar? We cannot say with respect to the sides ratio. So we need to go with respect to the angles because one of the angles is already equal to 90 degrees. So these are the corresponding angles of both the triangles. But I need to prove one more angle. So to prove that one, we will solve here. I'm going to consider triangle PQR first. In triangle PQR, we know that sum of three angles is equal to 90 degree. So angle PRQ plus angle PQR plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. But angle P is what? Angle P itself is 90. So if I transpose this angle to the other side, angle PRQ plus angle PQR is equal to 180 minus angle P, that is 90 degree. So 180 minus 90 is 90 degree itself. So sum of these two angles, that is PQR angle plus angle PRQ, their sum is equal to 90 degree. So we will consider it as equation 1. Now I'm going to take another triangle, another right angle triangle PMR. So I'm considering now PMR, triangle PMR. In this triangle, once again we know that sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree, but angle M is equal to 90. Obviously if I transpose it becomes 180 minus 90. Instead of writing M, I'm going to write only these two angles, that is PRM angle plus RPM angle. Sum of these two angles is equal to what? That is also equal to 90. This M is equal to 90. So if I add, it becomes 180. So I don't need that 90 degree angle. Therefore, I am excluding that one. So I will call this one as equation 2. If I equate equation 1 and 2, equating equations 1 and 2. So I will write on the first one, PRQ plus angle PQR is equal to angle, instead of writing 90, I can write this P angle PRM plus angle RPM. See, in this equation, PRQ, PRQ. So PRQ means this angle itself R. Here PRM, PRM, once again the same angle. So the angle is not changing. So these two are nothing but they are equal. Therefore, I'm going to cancel on the either side. So what is left out? PQR is equal to RPM. Okay. See, if you carefully observe these two angles, PQR comes in which triangle? PQR can also be written as PQM. So it's nothing but this Q angle. RPM comes in which triangle? RPM. So only this portion. So these two angles are equal to one another. So already we know that one of the angles are equal to 90 degree and one of the angles of these two triangles are equal. Therefore, by keeping this, we can write triangle PRM is similar to triangle PQM by AA criteria. If these two triangles are similar, we can go for their corresponding sides ratio. So I'm going to write those two triangles here separately so that you will not get confused. RMP, so P and M are considered here, and the other triangle which is considered QMP, where M is equal to 90 and Q is equal to P. We will go for the corresponding sides ratio. First I am taking PRM triangle, that is PM by, so 90 degree and the corresponding equal angle. 90 degree and corresponding equal angle is nothing but the side is QM, that is equal to, now I need RM. So because you can see here in the question itself, MR or RM we need. Therefore, I'm going to take 90 degree and the remaining angle, that is MR, by here 90 degree and the remaining is what? P. So this is the side PM. Cross multiply PM into PM, that is PM square is equal to QM into MR. Hence we proved. I hope that you people have understood this particular problem. If you have liked this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and don't forget to do a comment. If you are new to my channel, please do support the channel by subscribing it. Thanks for watching the video.